Gentlemen, have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night by a sharp, stabbing pain in your legs? That sudden cramp that feels like your muscles are twisting into knots? You're not alone. For men over 60, leg cramps are one of the most common and frustrating problems, and here's the hidden truth. These cramps are often not just random. They are signals from your body, warning you that your muscles, your nerves, and even your circulation need help. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple foods that can dramatically reduce leg cramps, improve your blood flow, and help you feel stronger on your feet again. Why diet matters. As a medical professional, I've seen countless men suffer in silence with leg cramps, chalking it up to age. But the reality is, diet plays a far bigger role than most realize. What you put on your plate can either fuel your muscles or set you up for more painful nights. Leg cramps in older men are often linked to 3 things: poor circulation, electrolyte imbalance, and muscle fatigue. As we age, our arteries become less flexible, our muscles lose magnesium and potassium more easily, and our nerve signals slow down. That combination makes it harder for your legs to get the oxygen and nutrients they need. But here's the encouraging part. The right foods can directly restore those missing nutrients, improve your circulation, and keep your muscles hydrated. This means fewer cramps, stronger legs, and better mobility. I've seen men who could barely walk around the block start enjoying long walks again simply by adjusting their diet. Now let's explore the top 3 foods every man over 60 should add to his meals. Food 1: bananas and magnesium-rich foods. Number 1. Bananas. Yes, that simple yellow fruit you've probably eaten your whole life is actually a secret weapon against cramps. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 electrolytes. Your muscles desperately need to contract and relax properly. Imagine your muscles as car engines. Without enough fuel and oil, they seize up. That's exactly what happens when you're low on potassium and magnesium. Bananas refill that tank. One of my patients, Mr. Anderson, a 68-year-old retired mechanic, came to me complaining of nightly cramps. He was skeptical when I suggested eating 1 banana before bed. But within just 2 weeks, his cramps reduced by almost 70%. He called me and said, "Doctor, I'm finally sleeping through the night without waking up in agony." That's the power of something as simple as this fruit. And here's a tip. If bananas aren't your favorite, you can also try almonds, pumpkin seeds, or spinach, all excellent sources of magnesium and potassium. Food 2: salmon and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 2. Salmon. Now, I know some of you may already enjoy grilled salmon on weekends, but let me explain why it's one of the best foods for preventing cramps. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation by reducing inflammation in your arteries. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, lowering the risk of spasms and pain. There's also another advantage. Omega-3 salve keep your blood thinner, preventing clots and improving leg strength. For older men, especially those with high blood pressure or heart concerns, this can be life-changing. I had a patient, 72-year-old George, who used to avoid walking his dog because of calf cramps. After including salmon twice a week and taking small walks daily, he not only reduced his cramps but also regained the confidence to hike with his grandchildren. He said it made him feel 10 years younger. Aim for salmon or other fatty fish like mackerel or sardines at least twice per week. If fish isn't available, a high-quality omega-3 supplement can also help. Food 3. Oranges and vitamin C foods. Number 3. Oranges and other vitamin C-rich fruits. You might be wondering, what does vitamin C have to do with leg cramps? Here's the science. Vitamin C improves collagen production in your muscles and blood vessels, making them stronger and more flexible. It also boosts circulation, which is vital for keeping your muscles relaxed. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. If they become stiff or clogged, the flow slows down and your muscles suffer. Vitamin C keeps those hoses flexible and strong. 1. Of my senior patients, Mr. Lewis, age 65, had severe cramps after even mild exercise. We added 1 glass of fresh orange juice to his breakfast routine. Over time, not only did his cramps ease, but his overall energy improved. He told me, "Doctor, I feel like I can actually enjoy my mornings again. If oranges aren't your preference, try strawberries, kiwi, or even red bell peppers." The goal is to keep your vitamin C intake consistent. Bonus food, hydration, and watermelon. And let me quickly add 1 bonus, hydration. Gentlemen, dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of cramps. Watermelon is a fantastic fruit to prevent this because it hydrates and also provides potassium. Think of it as a 2-in-1 solution, water plus minerals. Lifestyle tips. Now, while food is the foundation, pairing it with simple lifestyle habits makes it even more effective. Stretch your legs gently before bed. Stay consistent with walking and avoid sitting in the same position for too long. Your muscles need circulation just as much as they need nutrients. Emotional wrap-up. Patient success story. I'll never forget one of my patients. A 70-year-old gentleman who told me he felt trapped by his own body. Every evening he feared the pain that would strike in the middle of the night. But by making small changes, adding bananas, salmon, and oranges, he regained control. Within months, he was traveling with his wife again, enjoying sunsets without worrying about cramps. That's the beauty of these simple changes. They give you your freedom back. So, gentlemen, don't let leg cramps steal your strength or your peace of mind. Your body is still capable of vitality and power, no matter your age. By adding these 3 foods, bananas, salmon, and oranges, you're not just fighting cramps. You're strengthening your legs, protecting your heart, and reclaiming your independence. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who struggles with cramps. And remember, small steps lead to big changes. Take care of your legs, and they will carry you forward into the life you deserve.